Good morning, student. Wishing you all a very happy new year 2022. So, student, today in this class I am going to teach you the new lesson, and the name of the lesson is India, my motherland. As children, we know that all of us are Indians. India is our country where we all Indians lives as brother and sister. Though we speak a variety of languages and have different cultures and speak a variety of languages, but we love each other. So let's see in this lesson about our motherland and what are the speciality of our motherland. Children, see our motherland. It is of tricolors, and the national bird of our nation is peacock, national animal tiger, national flowers lotus, and our flag is made up of tricolor orange, white, and green. So let's see the lesson. India is my country. It was born in this country. I was born in this country. It is my motherland. I am an Indian. All of us are Indians. All Indians are brother and sister. So India is our country and we born in this country, and India is our motherland also, and I am Indian and we all are Indians, and all of us are Indians as brother and sister, and we used to live in this country as brother and sister. And I love my motherland, and I love all the children of Mother India, those who are born in this land. I love that children, and as a we are born in this country. India is also called Bharat, and Bharat is a vast and beautiful country. And another name of India is Bharat, and Bharat is a vast and beautiful country. Vast means very large country, and it is also a very beautiful country, and its natural loveliness is beyond description, and we cannot describe its loveliness and beautiness. We cannot describe in one word. It has high mountains, great river, lush green forest. Lush means rich, abundant. India is has a high mountains, big mountains, where there great rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, great rivers are there, and lush green forest. And India and this country is abundant forest, rich in forest, and varieties of animals and colorful birds are found in this country only, and all this make India a lovely place. Children, as in summer vacation or winter vacation, we were going for visiting the beautiful places and historical places. What we used to see, we used to see varieties of animals, colorful birds, and we used to find the greenery under forest and great rivers, mountains, and historical building. So India is rich in all this. So all this makes India a very beautiful and lovely places. So India is a country of beautiful peoples. They live in village and city. They works in fields and factories. They come from different states. They belongs to different caste and faiths. They have different culture and speak a variety of languages. In spite of all these differences, the people of India live in peace and harmony. Though we have a different cultures, and we used to speak a varieties of languages, and we used to live in different places, and in spite of all these differences, and the people of this India lives in peace and harmony. Culture means lifestyle. They have a different lifestyles, and they used to speak a different varieties of languages, and they used to works in village also, cities also. They works in fields and factories, and they come from different states like Jammu and Kashmir, from Delhi, Bombay, Madras. Different types, varieties of people live in one state, but they used to work together, and they used to work in fields and factories. But the people of India live in peace and harmony. And India is a country of beautiful peoples. Though the varieties of peoples, they follow different cultures, different languages, but they used to live in one place, and they used to live peacefully and harmony. India is a land of great people. Mother India gave birth to great saints like Lord Mahavir, Gautam Buddha, and Guru Nanak. India is a land of great people. Here in India, great people born like uh, Lord Mahavir, Gautam Buddha, and Guru Nanak. She produced brave men and women like Shivaji and Rani Lakshmi Bai. She brought forth great poets like Kalidas and Tagore's. In India, we see a brave man and woman. We have studied learned the story of Rani Lakshmi Bai and Shivaji. They fought for the India, and she brought forth great poets, and we see a great poets in India like Kalidas and Rabindranath Tagore. She was led by inspiring leader like Gandhiji and Nehru. And we used to see in India the great leaders like Gandhiji and Nehruji, and they make India free. India is a free country, no foundation in that. No others country used to interfere in that. We became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. When we became independent, we became independent on 15th August 1947. That's why we used to celebrate as 15th August as a Independence Day. With these days, we became free from British rule. As a nation, we uphold great values like truth, peace, and unity. And we used to uphold great values like truth, peace, and unity. We have a unity with all Indians, and we have a faith, and we used to speak truth. We salute our nation flag, the tricolor. Children, you all might be knowing that our national flag is of tricolors, and we salute our national flag, and we sing the national anthem with great devotion. And on 15th August and 26th January, or are in school assemblies or any assemblies gatherings, we used to sing the national anthem with a great devotion, and we used to respect our national flag, and we used to salute our national flag. We believe in God. We thank God for giving us a great and beautiful country, and we used to believe in God. We were believing in God. Believe means trust, devotion means faithfulness, and motherland means homeland. And we believe in God. We thank God for giving us a great and beautiful country. So we thank God for giving us this beautiful country as our motherland. We proudly say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat Mata, and we used to say proudly, we used to say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat Mata. And harmony means peace, uphold means confirm, description means explanation. So, children, in this lesson, we studied about our motherland. India is our motherland, and we born in this country, and we feel proud as an Indian. We used to respect our national flag, and we call India as a Bharat, and the other name of our India is Bharat. And we used to India it's India has great mountains, great rivers, rich in forests, varieties of animals, and colorful birds are found. So this makes India a lovely place. India is a land of great people here. Mother India gave birth to great saints like Lord Mahavir, Gautam Buddha, and Guru Nanak. She produced brave men and women also like Shivaji and Rani Lakshmi Bai, and she brought forth great poets like Kalidas and Tagore, and great leaders like Gandhiji and Nehru. And B. India is free country, and on 15th August 1947 as a nation we uphold great values like truth, peace and unity. We salute our national flag and we sing the national anthem with great devotion. We thank God for giving us a great and beautiful country as a motherland. So we proudly says that Jai Hind, Jai Bharat Mata. Thank you, children.